Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will create another 3D model using Fusion 360. So let's get started. Click on Sketch and choose front plane. Then select line and start creating the profile. Once it is fully defined, now choose extrude and enter the value, then hit OK. Now we have to create a cutout in the middle of the model as shown in the drawing. So select offset plane command and select this face, then give value 5 mm and press OK. Now click on the plane and select sketch. Now choose project command and click on the model to project all the points for reference purpose. Now create the profile by leaving 5 mm on the slope side and complete the profile. Once the profile is completed, choose extrude and give the specific value for the cut and hit OK. So we have successfully completed our 3D model as per the drawing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Also check out our website for doing engineering calculations with our integrated calculator. Also read our blogs for staying updated with latest industry trends. Link is given in the description, so do check it out.